Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mirza Sumro from B.Ed 1.5 Morning from Sindhu University Jamshoro, and my roll number is 42. Uh, I made this presentation under the supervision of Sir Dr. Ali Amjad Aran, who teach me subject research methods in education. And my presentation topic is rating. Here is my content list. And here is my topic, what is rating scale. We see from the meaning rating scale means we rate something. Let, let's go focus on the proper definition of rating scale. A rating scale is a common method of data collection that is used to gather comparative information about a specific research. Especially, a rating scale is a type of multiple choice questions, and it allows survey respondent to assign a value to a product or survey. It means a value is given to you like 1 or 2 or 3, and you have to choose from it. With the rating scale, the researcher can easily quantify respondents' knowledge and opinion in terms of specified values, which can be numerical or otherwise. A rating scale is typically used in quantitative and qualitative observation methods to evaluate different opinions about a researcher subject. Why we use rating scale? Because rating scale is easy and we can easily rate something. We can collect information fastly, and it also available in offline and online manner, like we see the many Google surveys and also monkey survey is available. It also provide great information to researcher, and that's why we use rating scale. Example of rating scale, like are you happy with the online class on Zoom app? Are you? If you are, then you say yes. If you are in middle and you say that you are not happy and you are not agree with online classes, you say neutral. And you say no if you are not happy with the online classes. Here are the examples of rating scale. First type of rating scale is a nominal scale. A nominal scale is one that allows the researcher to assign subjects to certain categories or groups. A nominal scale, we see the nominal mean nominated something. It is also called the categorical variable. It is defined as a scale used for labeling variables into distinct classifications and doesn't involve a quantitative value or order. Nominal scale is qualitative in nature, which means numbers are used here only to categorize or identify objects. We see the example like football fans will be really excited as the football World Cup is around the corner. Have you noticed? Have you? Numbers on a jersey of a football player. These numbers have nothing to do with the ability of player. However, they can help identify the player. It means number is only identify the player, not their ability. And here we see the another examples of nominal scale, like gender, place of residence. Gender include like male, female, place of residence like shrub, city, town. Let's go. And another type of rating scale is ordinal scale. Ordinal indicates order. An ordinal scale categorizes the variable in such a way as denote differences among the various categories. It also rank orders the categories in some meaningful way. Ordinal data is quantitative data which have naturally occurring orders and the differences between is unknown. It can be named, grouped, and also ranked. It means we rank something. We see the example like how satisfied are you with our products, say totally satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, totally dissatisfied. It means we rank something. How happy are you with the customer service? Very unhappy, unhappy, neutral, unhappy, very unhappy. Here is another type of interval scale. And interval scale, we use interval scale for calculating mean and median of variables. Scale with values and there is the same numerical distance between each value. This scale has no arbitrary 0 point, no true meaningful zero. It means has no zero has no importance. Interval data is especially useful in business, social and scientific analysis and strategy because it is straightforward and quantitative. Here we see the example of interval scale like what was your undergraduate GPA upon graduation, and here are the options. And another example of the interval scale is temperature, like here we see what is the 0 point arbitrary. When measuring temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, it is considered interval data because 0 is arbitrary. It means 0 has no importance. That is 0 C and 0 Fahrenheit cannot be read on the thermometer. Here is another type of rating scale, that is ratio scale. Ratio scale is type of variable measurement scale which is quantitative in nature. Ratio scale allows any researcher to compare the intervals or differences. Here we see the examples of ratio scale like please select which age bracket do you fall in. Below 20 years, 21 to 30 years, 31 to 40 years, 41 to 50 years, 50 years and above. How much time do you spend daily watching TV? Less than 2 hours, 3 to 4 hours, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, or more than 6 hours. Here my presentation is completed. I hope you understand rating scale. Thank you.